to the North Country Fair, where the wind hits heavy on the borderline. Remember me to the one who lives there, for she was once a true lover of mine. If you go when the snowflakes storm, when the rivers freeze and the summer ends, please see if she has a coat so warm to keep her from the howling winds. So if you're traveling in the North Country Fair, where the winds hit heavy on the borderline, remember me to the one who lives there. She was once a true lover of mine. Well, hi there pluckers, I have sore fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for a very quick lesson. Okay, I've been asked for, one of my viewers has asked me for some help with a song called Girl from the North Country by Bob Dylan stroke Johnny Cash. Okay, so there it was. Okay, it's just basically verses, there's nothing else in the song, and there's 3 chords in it, as far as I can tell: a G, a B minor and a C, and that's it. So that's it basically. I can't show you anything else. It's just basically how you want to play it. So you can either just strum it, you can put some hammers in, that sort of thing, little hammers. So on the C, without opening up that 4th string, 2nd fret, hammer into that. On the G chord, you can open up the 5th string and hammer into that sort of thing. Or you can strum and pick, sort of. Sorry, let's do it again. That sort of thing, just sort of slight strums, like picky. I mean, obviously there's more than one guitar on most of the versions I've heard, so obviously it's a bit difficult to actually play everything that's going on. But that's it, it's just basically 3 chords. I can't really show you any more on that. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.